Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 13th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar. This little technical rally that I've just been sort of touting in the last few days, it just didn't really ever take hold, did it? And it's still struggling, and I think it could just turn out just to be a bit of a minor consolidation, really. I mean, it's not really gone. RSI reached sort of 21 and then bounced, but didn't really ever get about 30, so there was no real sort of attempt for this technical rally to ever really take hold. Although you would argue 1753 being that key low that we've got so far up towards 1870, you would argue that, I mean, that's just, I mean, that's 110, 120 pips to the upside. So, I mean, how much of a technical rally do you really need before you get the bears starting to move back in again? And certainly look at this, the all this resistance you've got, or the key of these low intraday lows here on the 5th and the 6th, and then turning into resistance on the 7th, and that resistance yesterday coming in below there. So that certainly is the resistance area, and sort of the technical rally is just tailing off, really. It's not really taking hold, and that would certainly give me a bit of concern for this, for the longevity of this rally, because you would have hoped that if it was going to take off, then it would have been more sustained towards the upside at this stage, and it's not really doing that. So that certainly does give me concern, and it looks like we're coming back for a test of that 1785 low at the moment. In the last couple of hours, we've seen Euro drop fairly strongly, about 40 pips to the downside at the moment in the last couple of hours. So fairly big move. But yeah, just looking at these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, very neutral on the MACD lines, RSI and stochastics, and to be honest, stochastics are actually falling away. So you would say that the momentum is not with this rally, and you've got that resistance in place initially at around 1860, but to be honest, 1850 as well, and that comes under the 1870 reaction high, which is all under this big one around about 1.19 figure resistance that is also sort of fairly sizable on this intraday chart now. So it doesn't look like this rally is really taking off, and that gives me concern to the downside, and we may well see a retest of some supports again, but it doesn't look all that positive for the bulls. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.